Welcome back to Ignite Your Inner Artist, your cozy corner for knitting trends and creative inspiration. Today's video is all about celebrating everybody with a roundup of 5 stunning patterns plus a bonus. If you're tired of patterns that stop at XL, or you finished a sweater and only to find the largest size still doesn't fit, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, here's my quick checklist for spotting truly size-inclusive patterns. Look for these features before you cast on. At least 8 to 12 sizes, up to 60 to 64 inch bust. Increment steps, about 2 inches between sizes. You want more than one body type in the pictures, and there should be some notes for customization, either in the pattern itself or the listing, or perhaps in the projects or comments that are posted on with the project listing or with the pattern listing. And I prefer top down or modular because it's easier to adjust those sizes. These features mean your finished project will not only fit, it'll flatter. I'll admit that while the patterns are size inclusive, some of the listings did not show a variety of body types modeling the patterns. However, I'll highlight which criteria each pattern meets as we go. Pattern number 1, not to be missed, by Illsley. This one is close to my heart. The deeper neckline and intricate lacework remind me of my creative beginnings with macrame. That knotted texture is a nod to my roots, which makes this design extra meaningful. It's graded for a wide range of sizes, extra small to 5XL, up to a 64 inch bust with smart shoulder shaping and options for both a summer tee or a long sleeve top. Elegant, versatile, and beautifully inclusive. This is a brand new pattern and already has 32 projects and is in 248 queues. Pattern number 2, the Hayley Sweater by Iris H. I had to include the Hayley Sweater because I love a good cable party. This pattern mixes different cable motifs for a modern look, and it's written with comprehensive sizing and detailed notes so you can really make it your own. Whether you want it cropped or long, fitted or relaxed, Hayley has you covered. Released 1 year ago, it has 30 projects and is in the queue of over 109 people. Pattern number 3, the Ivy Pullover by Brianna Mason. The Ivy Pullover is all about balance, oversized comfort without sloppiness. The eyelets give it such a fresh, airy vibe. The grading is excellent across sizes, so you'll get a flattering fit from the smallest to the largest size. It's timeless, but with just enough twist to keep it exciting. With 25 projects and 99 in the queue on Ravelry, now is the time to get in on the ground floor of this fabulous pattern's future popularity. Pattern number 4, the Flower Child by Wool and Pine. The Flower Child sweater brings such a beautiful bohemian vibe to size-inclusive knitting. This pattern features delicate floral motifs and flowing lines that flatter every body type. What I love most is how Wool and Pine has graded this across a truly inclusive size range with detailed construction notes. The pattern shows how thoughtful design can be both artistic and accessible. With its relaxed fit and gorgeous texture work, this is perfect for knitters who want something special that actually fits. Pattern number 5, the King Salmon by Caitlin Hunter. As a Pacific Northwesterner, this one feels like home. The King Salmon sweater is a size-inclusive alternative to the super popular halibut design. The unisex, oversized fit comes in a huge size range from 30 to 64 inches and includes customization notes so everyone can find their perfect proportions. Released in April 25, this already has 297 projects and 857 people have it in the queue. It's wearable art that connects directly to the region's culture. And I couldn't resist adding the light version as a bonus. It's fingering weight, a little less oversized, especially under the arms, and great for layering. Same stunning design, just more versatile. It's only been out for 1 month and 70 projects have been created and nearly 300 people have it in their queues. All the patterns are linked below and bundled on Ravelry for easy access. I even threw in a few extras. Which design are you most excited to try? Or have you knit a size-inclusive pattern you absolutely love? Share it in the comments. I'm always looking for new inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe for more trending pattern roundups.